So, andito tayo ngayon sa Grand Civil in Cabuyao City, Laguna to check this new foreclosed house and lot. But before that, subscribe muna kayo to our YouTube channel, which is Foreclosed Hub. Para pasukin na natin. So, this is 100 square meters total lot area niya. Okay. So, ito yung side ng property. And then yung likod niya. And yung likod niya hanggang dun sa may pipe na yon. This is bungalow single attached with 1 bathroom and 2 bedrooms. Floor area is 36 square meters. Ito yung isang kwarto. Ayan yung likod niya. May tolda lang. And then ito yung isang kwarto. Ayan. Yan siya. This is below market value at 2.5 million. We can request for discount for approval. And pwede natin siyang makuha around 2.3 million. Okay, so if you are interested to make an offer, please message me directly. This is as is where is. And the offer is first come first serve. Pero kapag masyadong maraming mag-offer sa property na to, discretion na po ng bangko na magpa-bidding. Okay? And this is available in cash or at least 30% spot down payment upon approval of our offer, and then 70% balance through in-house and bank financing exclusive of taxes and fees. So again, if you are interested to make an offer, just message me directly. And as you can see, the house is still in good condition. Kailangan lang siya ng konting repairs, then perhaps repainting, and then konting linis lang. Hindi naman ganun kalaki yung or karami yung, hindi naman ganun kalaki yung sira niya. Okay. Siguro abutin kayo dito more or less mga 100 or 200,000 just to make it more livable. So again, if you are interested to make an offer, just message us directly.